crying, weeping. And I believe this is the first stage to restoration. Pagkatapos mo magkamali, pagkatapos mong bumagsak, huwag mong i-minimize ang mistake. Huwag mong i-justify ang mistake. Huwag mong i-rationalize ang mistake. Huwag ka na mag-excuse. Huwag mo nang i-downplay. I-process mo yung sakit. Kung kinakailangan umiyak ka. Kasi you cannot force healing. You cannot rush healing. Hindi mo mababypass ang process. Hindi mo shortcut ang process. You need to heal and you need to recover. Now think about this. Every time natitilaok yung manok, every morning, from that point on, ano kayang tumatakbo sa isip ni Peter? Na habang natutulog siya, tigtilaok. Is it as if it became a reminder for him about his failure? Pinapaalala ng tilaok ng manok yung kanyang pagkakamali. Pinapaalala ng tilaok ng manok yung kanyang mistake at yung kanyang failure. At maaring hindi manok ang trigger point mo, pero naniniwala akong maraming manok sa buhay natin. Na every time mangyayari yung trigger point na yan, naaalala mo kung saan ka nagkamali. Naaalala mo kung paano ka dumapa, kung paano ka lumagapak, kung paano mo na-deny at hindi natupad ang mga pangako ng Panginoon sa iyo. And every time tumitilaok ang manok, sinasabi mo, I blew it again. I failed again. I am a failure. But let me remind you this, every time na babagsak ka, every time na magkakamali ka, every time na magfe-fail ka, ibig sabihin lang nun, you are one step closer to your success. Amen?